Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam getting stuck on allocating disk space when downloading or installing a game. First, clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Open the Download section and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart, and you'll need to sign in again. You will also lose the download progress of any other game that is currently downloading or updating. Next, repair your Steam library folder. Open Steam Settings, go to Storage, click the three dots next to your game library drive, and choose Repair Library. Wait for the process to finish, then restart Steam and try the download again. If the problem is still there, close Steam completely. Make sure Steam is also closed from the system tray near the clock. Then right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam full permission to write files to your drive and can fix allocation problems caused by Windows permission restrictions. Next, check the format of the drive where you're installing the game. If the drive is using exFAT, Steam may become very slow or freeze while allocating disk space. For the best compatibility, your game drive should be formatted as NTFS. You can check this by opening File Explorer, right-clicking the drive, selecting Properties, and looking at the file system. Thanks for watching.